Today I am going to show how to replace the timing chain for VVT engine. So I already take out the camshaft cover for save my time and more bolt of the timing case cover. Only I left the 2 bolts. Now I am going to take out that 2 bolts also. And I already take out the crankshaft bolt, pulley bolt. So before we going to take out the crankshaft wheel, we have to mark the timing mark here. This is the timing mark for this one. I already rotate to the timing mark. So after mark like this, so I am going to take out the crankshaft pulley. Then now I am going to take out the timing case cover, and this is the internal oil pump. Normally this one also damaging, so we can replace the internal oil pump. Now I am going to replace the timing chain tensioner. This is the timing chain tensioner. We can lock like this when we put back. And now I move the timing chain guidance. So if I take out one guidance, so I have to mark the camshaft mark. So I can put the before we widen, and I am going to mark here. This is the dot. I already rotate that dot to dot. This is the camshaft timing case mark. So after we mark like that, so we can take out the timing chain like this. So at the moment I don't have new timing chain, so I'm going to demonstrate using the old timing chain. So then we're going to new timing chain like this. And we're putting, actually we have to put the bottom side first. That's easy to put the timing chain. If you put the bottom side, right, chain here. Now properly in the timing chain, so we already marked there no camshaft movements. So I'm going to put the guidance, timing chain guidance. Now I'm going to replace the timing chain tensioner. We can push timing chain tensioner like this in. So now I'm going to replace the timing chain cover. When we replacing timing chain cover, we have to clean the here, and we have to put the glue for that one. But at the moment I'm demonstration, so I didn't clean or I didn't put the glue anything for that, just demonstrate. So now I'm going to put back the crankshaft wheel. Then I have to put back the crankshaft bolt and timing chain case nuts like this.